Hey guys, so today, I know I always have to do some videos, but I feel like I'm not getting that much subscribers because I keep on showing you guys. I don't remember showing you guys that one. Yeah, and some of these my sister fixed, but I always show you guys like the same slimes. But I made some new ones just for you guys, so you guys could see that. But one more thing, you guys been saying in my comments on Roger, I said that I was doing a break. I think I'll be back in like 2 more weeks. 2 more weeks. I think you guys could last that way. But good thing I'm still on this channel because I would never leave this channel. I have like too many videos, so no. No way, Jose. So, first time I bought, it's a store-bought slime. So let me place this camera maybe right here. Perfect. Oh, wrong side. Whoopsie doopsies. So here it is, right here. What? It's like it's way more stickier, but still good, I guess, but it's way more stickier. I don't know who made it that sticky, but look at it. It smells like, oh, why does it smell so bad now? Let me smell it in the cup, maybe. Someone changed this slime. Oh, it kind of smells like popcorn, but watch it. I mean, not popcorn, pineapple. See, it's a focus camera. Pineapple, but watch this. Farts, guys. I think it's because of all the farting I've been doing it with. Let's try it again. You farted on camera. It was a slime. Maybe after tomorrow it will smell way better, not taste. I don't know what did it. Whatever. Next new slime is this one. No. Don't tell me. It's overactivated. Of course it is. No slimes that are made with my glue like to be good. Bye-bye. We don't really care about that slime no more because it's overactivated. I don't know what happened there. I don't know why I made just overactivated. So let's see another one that I made. Oh yeah, it's this green one. As you can see, I think you can see it clearer when it's out. Look at it. It's not overactivated, don't think, because it's clear. It's overactivated. No, it is not. See, look at it. It's clear glue. It's clear green glue. See, ooh. Watch it come down. You guys saw that, right? That little bubble in there. Boop. So that's that slime. I'm trying to be quick because I'm going to do another video, and I only have like 12 minutes on this video because there's a time limit because I make too many videos that it won't work for me. So yeah, that's why. There. Okay, next slime. I think I'm not sure if it's overactivated. I hope not. No, it isn't. Not over. Oh, it smells gross, but it's not overactivated. Yay, 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 yay. it's a little bit on the sides. But that's not that bad. As you guys could probably see right here, it is not clear. Look at that, guys. It's not clear. You cannot see my face through it. Can you? No, I don't think you guys could. Oh, yeah, you guys could. But it's not clear on my side. So, therefore, it's not clear. Let's see the difference between this side, because they're made from the same glue. Just this one is the same kind of glue, but just not the same clearness. So they do blue clear glue, purple clear glue, and pink clear glue. So yeah. Let's see if you guys can find that in the store. Hope you guys can. Alright, where's that other green slime that was clear? Where is it? Here it is. Let's see the difference. So that one, you guys could skip through it and check the difference if you forgot about it. But I started out, so this is the difference. So see, you guys could see it's clear, but look at my face now. I can even see the camera through this because it's so clear. Look at it. You guys could even see my face because it's so clear. Hi, guys. I just love this slime right here. I feel like this slime's like my favorite slime from my new slimes. Not saying which one's my favorite slime from all the slimes. Okay. Alright, where's the lid? Oh, here's the lid. Let me make sure that I close it all the way. So we don't want any slime drying out, do we? And yes, guys, all of you been asking, do I keep my slimes that are overactivated? Yes, I do. You can see this one right here. The green slime. Hold on. This will be real quick. Overactivated sides. Don't want to play with it too long because it leaves green all over your hands. But it can't even poke. Here, let me move the camera.